Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change the slow motion video speed in iPhone 15 Pro. So first open the camera app, then slide to the left side to the slow-mo, and now if you want to change your slow motion video speed, click on this little icon, and as you can see we have a 120 and 240. So this is the maximum, this is the minimum, so pick your desired speed and just make your slow-mo video. And one more time with the maximum slow-mo speed. And this is how it looks. This is the maximum, this is the minimum. That's it, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.